In this video tutorial, we are going to design this section for our App Store and Play Store download buttons. And here's the images of Uber Eats and one title. So let's start. First of all, I will write here the HTML code after header. Let's make it some div. Give a class name. So let's say class name is apps download. Okay, here if I go and see, we have one image. Okay, then a title and button. This image and this one in one div and this image in separate div. So even I'm not giving any div for this image, but if I give this, no problem. So I think this one. Let's see. I think this logo, maybe. If I go to my page and reload, so it's .svg. No, the images which is I put here, this one. Let's find with this image. I think this one. Okay, this image we have in current and directory images folder. Then we have this image. So go to browser and reload. So it's like this. It's a folder name. Perfect. It's coming. The images came here. The next step, take one div and here class name apps download buttons. So actually here I'm not if I go to in demo, these are images which I already downloaded and put my images folder. Yeah, this one. This one. Image, then source. In current directory images folder, inside it we have App Store. And then Play Store. Let's save, go to browser, reload. The images also is coming. But also we have one more thing here. If I go to demo page, this title, sorry, not perfect. We write our HTML code. Now we have to write some CSS code to make our this section that we could. So height 200 pixels, background color white, display flex, align item center, and justify content center. If I reload, okay, it's coming correct. The next step is inside this we have an image. I write some code for this image. You can type here also img. This image margin right, say 20 pixels. Give this image a class name directly. Apps download img. Okay, that's working. Next step for this title and images mean this div next, which we have here. I'm going to write code for our h1. Font weight, no need font weight because let's see our demo. Yeah, only the font family. Font family, then margin bottom, zero. Okay, perfect. Let's design these images. I will give the class name for both of these images. Say class name images. App download button. Height 30 pixels. Let's go and reload and see what happened here. Not perfect, but this image is too much big. You have to decrease the size or the height. Type here height, it's say 120 pixels. No, it's 90 pixels. Or decrease the size 100 or 90. So in here, just this height little bit difference. Now I think it's perfect. Okay, the buttons height is, let's say, 60. If I reload, it's too much. 40. No, it's okay. If I remove the margin bottom and make it reload, it's okay. Margin drop 0. So assembling which I done before. Margin right 5 pixels and bottom 0. So it's margin bottom. So 4 pixels, let's say. Not perfect. It's we near to our demo page. From apps, download. Right in this section, some piece of board, display flex, align item center, also your Japan. So it's not display flex. No need for this class. No, perfect, it's coming. Correct. Okay, so the next step, we have to design our this menu, food delivery section. So let's see you in its tutorial.